Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making origami claws. You can use a single claw for one finger or double claws using same model. To create this model, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be starting with the diagonal fold. To find the center point, join these two corners and just make a small crease in the center. Now bring two sides to the center crease. This is called as kite base. Fold the model into half. Place the model like this and from center point to this point make a crease. Flip the model and fold it like this. Flip the model again and then fold this cone shape inside and tuck the small triangle inside the pocket. Origami claw is ready and you can wear it like this. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.